Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make mango float. You need mangoes. You need 2 cups of whipping cream or Cool Whip. You need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup condensed milk. And lastly, we need a box of honey graham crackers. Add the condensed milk. Add the vanilla extract. Put a layer of the crackers at the bottom. Spread the cream mixture on top of the crackers. Then add the mango slices. Now we add another layer of the crackers, then the mixture and the mangoes. That's it. Just add more mangoes. Oops. Final layer. It's too thick now. Just the last and final layer. That's it. Just add the mangoes. And we're done. Dang, dang, dang. Wait, that's it. For final touch, you could add crushed graham crackers. Looks good. Yummy! Now put in the freezer or the refrigerator. Here you go! Mango float. Thanks for watching!